Welcome to Super Picks, your place for the best tech and gadget finds. Today we're diving into some of the most useful and innovative car gadgets and accessories. These picks are designed to make your driving experience easier, safer, and more fun. Let's jump in and check them out. The Any-Level Lift is a highly versatile suspension system that allows you to raise or lower your truck up to 13 inches with the push of a button. This makes it easy to load cargo, improve ground clearance for off-road adventures, or lower the truck for daily driving. Powered by a strong hydraulic system, it ensures smooth adjustments and can handle heavy-duty tasks. One of its best features is the ability to adjust each corner of the truck individually, providing excellent control and stability on rough terrain. Whether you're driving over rocks, dirt, or uneven ground, you can make real-time changes to keep the truck balanced. Made from tough, premium materials, the lift is built to last even in extreme conditions like mud, sand, or snow. It's designed for easy, non-invasive installation, meaning no cutting or drilling is needed. The Any-Level Lift offers durability, flexibility, and improved performance, making it a great addition for any truck owner. The Comma 3 Devkit is an advanced driver assistance system that enhances your vehicle with superior cruise control and lane-keeping features. It provides advanced assistance to the driver without completely taking over. The device features an OLED screen that displays clear, real-time video from its 3 cameras. These cameras capture 1080p video with a wide dynamic range, offering a full 360 degrees view around your car. This setup allows the system to manage lane keeping and adaptive cruise control with impressive precision. The Devkit works with OpenPilot, an open-source software from Comma.ai that provides cutting-edge driver assistance capabilities. It's easy to install. Just connect it to your car's existing camera system, making it incredibly accessible for developers and tech enthusiasts eager to explore autonomous driving. Rough Country electric running boards are an excellent upgrade for trucks and SUVs, combining both style and functionality. These motorized boards automatically extend when you open your vehicle's door and retract when it's closed, offering you easy access while keeping your vehicle's look sleek and modern. Many models come with built-in LED lights that illuminate the ground, making it safer to get in and out of your vehicle at night. Made from durable materials, these running boards are built to endure tough weather conditions and heavy use. They feature a wide, non-slip surface to ensure safe footing, even in slippery or muddy conditions. Installation is straightforward, too. Thanks to a custom-fit design, it includes all the necessary hardware and detailed instructions. Just a smooth upgrade for your vehicle. Rough Country electric running boards are available for various vehicle models, offering a perfect blend of convenience and durability. They add a modern touch to your vehicle and enhance your overall driving experience. MAXCOVER aluminum truck bed covers are a smart solution for pickup owners who crave both durability and style. Made from lightweight yet incredibly tough aluminum, these covers are built to last. They're ideal for people who regularly carry equipment or cargo. These covers are designed for heavy use, without bending or breaking, keeping your truck's bed secure and in perfect shape. Each cover is custom-made to fit specific truck models, ensuring a snug, watertight seal that keeps out dirt. Most models come with advanced locking systems like central locking or double lock options, giving you that extra layer of confidence. Installation is easy. With a clamp-on design, there's no drilling, no complicated setup, just hassle-free assembly. Plus, their foldable and retractable designs offer flexibility, allowing you to open the cover partially or fully, depending on your needs. MAXCOVER aluminum bed covers are more than just a stylish accessory. They're a solid investment for truck owners who want the perfect mix of strength, style, and practicality. The ARB Intensity IQ LED lights are an absolute must for off-road enthusiasts who demand both durability and high performance. Built with corrosion-resistant aluminum, these LED lights can take on the toughest conditions while delivering exceptional lighting performance. With up to 20,000 lumens of brightness, they light up even the darkest paths, giving you that powerful wide beam you need for those adventurous night drives. These lights come with 4 beam patterns: Super Spot, Spot, Flood, and Mid-Range. You can control the brightness and beam settings effortlessly through an integrated system. With an IP67 rating, these lights are waterproof. and some models even offer Bluetooth compatibility. The ARB Intensity IQ LED lights offer impressive brightness, versatile beam options, and tough-as-nails construction, making them the go-to choice for serious off-roaders and professionals alike. The König Resisto fitting is a game-changer when it comes to winter driving, making snowy and icy roads much safer. This tire chain system improves traction and ensures you stay in control when the weather turns dangerous. It's designed for easy installation, no special tools or mechanical expertise required. Crafted from strong, high-quality materials, these chains are built to last and are made to handle the toughest winter conditions. The Resisto fitting accommodates a wide range of tire sizes and works on cars, SUVs, and trucks, making it a versatile option for just about any driver. When the roads clear up, you can easily remove the chains and store them in a compact case, keeping them ready for your next winter adventure. It's practical and super reliable, keeping you safe and secure on even the most treacherous winter roads. Pilot-registered trademark smart flares are advanced road safety tools engineered to improve traffic control and safety in emergency situations or work zones. Equipped with high-intensity LED lights, these flares deliver exceptional brightness and wide coverage, ensuring they are visible in various conditions. Their standout feature is the radio-linked network, which creates a dynamic sequential lighting pattern similar to runway lights. These flares automatically sync with each other, providing a clear, continuous visual path, effectively guiding drivers through hazardous or restricted areas. With a quick and simple setup, the pilot-registered trademark flares can be activated with a single button press, making them ideal for use by emergency responders and construction crews for rapid deployment. Built for durability, the smart flares are resistant to harsh weather. These flares provide optimal visibility while consuming minimal power, ensuring clear guidance in high-risk areas. The Lanmodo Car Tent is a smart and practical solution for protecting your vehicle from the sun, rain, snow, and whatever else nature throws your way. It weighs only about 6 kilograms, and thanks to its foldable design, this tent is compact enough to store in your trunk, perfect for on-the-go protection. Crafted from robust materials like Oxford cloth and fiberglass, the Lanmodo Car Tent is built to withstand tough conditions, even winds up to 30 miles per hour, and a suction base ensures the tent stays securely attached to your car roof so you can feel confident it's not going anywhere. You can also use it as a beach umbrella or even a camping tent with additional accessories. With built-in steel wire, anti-theft belts, you can leave your car protected. The Lanmodo Car Tent fits a wide range of vehicles, from sedans to SUVs, offering a universal solution for all car owners. By shielding your car from external damage, it helps extend your vehicle's lifespan and keeps your car looking great. With its easy setup and portability, the Lanmodo Car Tent is a practical addition to your car accessories. Rack and roll motorcycle carriers are a top choice for safely and conveniently transporting your bike. Whether you're heading to a track or exploring a new destination, these carriers offer strength and versatility. Made from durable steel, they can handle various bike sizes, from small dirt bikes to heavy motorcycles. Compatible with a wide range of vehicles, cars, SUVs, RVs, and trucks, rack and roll carriers fit multiple hitch sizes for maximum versatility. Key features include secure tie-down points and locking mechanisms to keep your bike firmly in place during transit, eliminating any worry about shifting, while built-in lights and reflectors enhance visibility for safe driving at night. Rack and roll motorcycle carriers offer a secure, easy-to-use solution for transporting bikes, with added safety and convenience for both use and storage. Meet the HitchFire Forge, the ultimate portable grill designed for all your outdoor adventures. With its innovative hitch-mounted design, you can easily attach it directly to your vehicle's hitch receiver. This feature saves valuable space in your car, making it a breeze to bring along for camping, tailgating, beach trips. The Forge 15 boasts a generous 355 square inch cooking surface, big enough to cook for 8 to 10 people at once, perfect for gathering with friends and family. Built to last, it features a sturdy steel frame and a stainless steel grill grate, ensuring you have a reliable cooking companion wherever you go. Plus, with its unique swing arm that rotates up to 180 degrees, you'll enjoy easy access to your vehicle's cargo area. Equipped with a dual burner system featuring separate controls, you can manage different cooking temperatures for various foods simultaneously. It even has a lockable lid for safe transport, ensuring everything stays in place on your journey. The folding prep table adds extra workspace, making it super easy to prepare your meals, while the removable grease tray makes cleanup a snap. Whether you're planning a picnic in the park or an epic road trip, this grill delivers the convenience and performance of a full-size grill in a portable package. Are you ready to fire up the fun? The Rplate digital license plate takes the traditional license plate to the next level with modern, customizable technology. A digital display that you can fully customize through a mobile app. You can show your registration info, custom messages, and even ads if you want to. Plus, the e-ink screen ensures everything is easy to read, whether you're driving in bright sunlight or at night. With built-in GPS, the Rplate can track your car's location in real time and even provide live traffic updates. It sends smart notifications to remind you about renewing your registration or upcoming maintenance. And for peace of mind, the Rplate includes tamper-evident features to help protect against theft and fraud. It's built to withstand harsh weather conditions too, making it durable and long-lasting, no matter where your adventures take you. The Rplate attaches just like a regular license plate and works seamlessly with your vehicle's existing systems, offering better convenience, enhanced security, and added functionality. Ready to make the switch? The Marvo solar phone mount is a smart and eco-friendly car accessory that charges your phone using solar power. This versatile mount fits phones of all sizes and lets you effortlessly switch between portrait and landscape, perfect for navigating and watching videos on the go. The automatic locking system keeps your phone securely in place while you drive, so you never have to worry about it slipping or falling. Plus, it's made from durable materials that blend seamlessly with any car interior. The built-in solar panel powers a wireless charging pad, ensuring your phone stays charged. And don't worry about bumpy roads. The Marvo mount includes anti-slip pads for extra stability. Enjoy a smarter, greener driving experience with the Marvo solar phone mount, the future of in-car charging. The Track and Go system transforms your vehicle into a winter-ready beast, making it perfect for navigating through tough snow and ice. The best part? It's incredibly easy to install. Just drive your vehicle onto the tracks, secure them, and you're good to go. No complicated setups or permanent modifications required. These tracks are designed for versatility, fitting a wide range of vehicles from pickup trucks to SUVs. Built with tough, durable materials, they can handle ice, snow, and debris with ease, delivering reliable performance even under heavy use. Whether you're tackling snowy roads or icy terrain, the Track and Go system provides the ultimate traction to keep you moving. The tracks come with built-in safety features that ensure they stay securely attached as you drive, giving you peace of mind even in the harshest conditions. Whether you're using them for emergency services or recreational snow adventures, this system guarantees better traction, enhanced stability, and overall safer driving in winter environments, making them a must-have for anyone facing extreme winter conditions.